website design, it's really just boxes. Yep, it's just boxes. In this video, I'm going to break it down and show you what I really mean when I say website design is just boxes. This is our website design example. We are going to focus first on the topmost section, starting from the left side, which is the logo. The logo, it's a box. On the right side are the navigation links. Each navigation link is a box, and all the navigation links are all inside of a box. The logo and the navigation links are all inside of a box. This is what you call the header section. Next, we are going to focus on the section below it, starting from the left, which is the text content. The heading is a box. The paragraph is also a box, and the button is also a box. The heading, paragraph, and the button are all inside of a box. On the right side, we have the image. The image, well, you guessed it right, it's also a box. The text content and image are all inside of a box. This is what you call the hero section. Finally, the header section and the hero section are all inside of a box. Website design is just boxes. It's really that simple. If you can arrange boxes, you can design a website. I hope you found this helpful. If you do, please give this a like and subscribe to the channel if you want more website design educational videos. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to learn, create, and share.